Hi Adorners, let's make an Easter brunch Smokehouse Mozzarella Asparagus Quiche. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Alright Adorners, so welcome back. We've gone ahead and buttered up our pie pan and we have a rollout pastry pie crust. We're going to put it in our pie pan and we're going to prick it and bake it in the oven for about 10 minutes. So when we put our filling mixture, it doesn't just saturate it. Alright, so I have some fresh asparagus that I got at the store. You should be able to find this all over at this time of year. Asparagus is lovely in a quiche. Alright, and also asparagus will tell you where to cut it. The thing about asparagus, it'll tell you where it should be cut. It'll break on its own where it needs to be cut. Okay Adorners, so now that we have our pie crust ready, we're going to go ahead and place some asparagus and some smoked mozzarella strips in the bottom of our pie crust, and we're going to mix some heavy cream and about 5 to 6 eggs. I've added in, as you can see here, I've added in some frozen red pepper, bell peppers, and onions. Alright, we've mixed up our filling mixture here and we're going to add it to our pie crust. Let's add in the rest of our asparagus. Now let's bake our quiche at 385 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. So our quiche is done and out of the oven. It is absolutely beautiful. This can be warmed up. You can have it later. I'm going to freeze part of mine for my brunch on Easter, and I might have some for breakfast. As always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I'm your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. See you in the next video. Please be sure to click like and subscribe.